Hey guys, this is Matt from the Investigram team. Let's get started with today's video on an absolute gem penny stock that we've just discovered. 4 days ago, it was positioned at 22 cents and a market cap value of around $2 million. Instantly, I started doing a lot of research into this stock. I looked at the ticker WSGF and everything seemed good. I had hit upon a gem, but I decided to dig in deeper to ensure that I don't put out a poor penny stock because 2-cent, $2 million market cap stocks are quite risky. My opinion for all of you is to wait an hour into market open before you even purchase a stock. If you are considering buying my picks, this is not financial advice, but I always say to wait for an hour to get the best price you possibly could. So 10:30 works fine before buying any stock, not just my picks. I would suggest any stock so that you can see where the market will go that day. Guys, I'm telling you, this stock is a real gem. It's just $2 million market cap, and I don't see any dilution. Stay tuned throughout this video as I go on to explain some of these catalysts for this stock, WSGF. Last year, WSGF took over Vaycaychella, which is presently its key business focus. Soon, WSGF may have a name and a ticker change. It could probably be changed to Vaycaychella and a ticker with a V under its new name. If you guys have not noticed, many OTC stocks have been going through name changes and also different business model changes. They happen to perform well when that goes down. Vaycaychella is WSGF's key subsidiary and business focus, with a mission to expand the short-term rental ecosystem by introducing the Vaycaychella App. This app will be able to connect prospective short-term rental property buyers with a new class of alternative investors. WSGF has plans to move ahead of Airbnb in the short-term rental ecosystem with its new app to facilitate the entry of new short-term rental property operators as well as investors into the short-term rental market ecosystem. This market is shortly expected to surpass the $100 billion mark. This indicates that they are in a massive space with an incredible potential to grow by leaps and bounds. Their target market segment is $6.8 trillion. With this potential, they are along the lines of being an Airbnb rival. WSGF also has plans to accept cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin for rental payments. For those of you who are unaware, Airbnb did an IPO recently for their stock, and their market cap opened straight at a market cap of $90 billion. At present, it is at $108 billion for just a rental company's stock. Their revenue is $4.7 billion. There's been a steady rise ever since their IPO opened. The rental stock market is hot right now. Now let's take a look at their catalysts and latest news. This stock has a market cap value of just $2 million with 4-cent stocks. They are already pink and are verified. It's always safer to buy only those stocks that are in pink or above that and verified. If they have the stop sign, the SEC could suspend the trading, making it a bad stock to invest in. Looking at the latest catalyst, this is what shoved the stocks to go higher. Once this was out, people started researching more on the company. WSGF has announced the start of beta testing of Vaycaychella's alternative finance app, designed to enable the purchase of short-term rental properties. Consider Airbnb. This is basically their app. The firm will give the beta users access to the Vaycaychella app. The initial testing period is presently scheduled to go on until this month's end. After that, the results will be reviewed and application updates will be evaluated. The app will be released to the users by this month's end. A production release is on the way for June. The Vaycaychella app is devised to empower a new generation of real estate investors. It has been a year since WSGF acquired Vaycaychella. As mentioned earlier, WSGF's key business focus at the moment is Vaycaychella. You can basically consider both to be the same company, as they are about to change their name completely. A corporate name change is on its way, so the catalyst is the corporate name change, and the main one is the app. The app will soon go into production and get into people's hands, so users can soon use this app. Let's now get into a basic overview of the company. This will include a price prediction. Their main subsidiary, Vaycaychella, is all set to emerge as a top player in main segments of the sharing economy, which is likely to attain $335 billion by 2025. People are gradually trying to get out of the gripping coronavirus fear, getting vaccines administered, and starting to travel again. This is among the better times to start investing in travel stocks. In my opinion, Vaycaychella has put together the best sharing economy apps, such as Booking.com, with short-term rentals, such as Airbnb, along with P2P and crowdsourcing investing, and lending platforms such as Indiegogo. Basically, they are a combination of the best sharing economy apps and the best short-term rental apps out there. This combination can do it all. The existing customer base of the company spans across Caribbean vacation destination clients from Mexico to Puerto Rico. Vaycaychella has given more than $1.25 million in acquisition and renovation financing, secured by 10 premium beachfront houses, a historic building, and a boutique hotel with a total estimate value of almost $12 million. The major advantage to the present prices is ahead. This is not my personal price target, but it's not that far-fetched taking their market cap into consideration. Their 6-month price target is 20 cents, which is depending on the sales and price of WSGF peer group. We look forward to multiple revenue streams, a series of milestones, and novel innovation, among other factors, to drive WSGF stocks higher. Vaycaychella had developed a business to serve short-term vacation rental operators with financing to buy and renovate real estate properties as vacation destinations. Sharing economy apps are consuming a high share of the $32 billion of the Caribbean vacation market. Looking further down this year, our 6-month price target is 20 cents. The present loan portfolio of the company is collateralized by $12 million in property. This limits the risk of downsides and also demonstrates the potential underlying value. We can anticipate more closings all through 2021, thus leading to an increase in the value of the overall enterprise. There's nothing like Vaycaychella functioning in the short-term rental property market today. The new development, onboarding milestones, and revenue generation will drive the valuation. We hope new markets will be launched and more properties will be accessible online for financing. The loan servicing revenue and possible other streams, along with the onboarding of investors, operators, properties, and more, will be a major milestone all through the beta phase. So the team has a lot of things planned here. Let's take a look at the revenue part. We will be reserving some revenue in the fourth quarter of 2020. We expect 2021 revenue of almost $500,000, and we believe that at least half of this figure could come from the finance properties. For 2022, we estimate $4 million in revenue. Generally, they don't even have any revenue. It is really good to see that they are at least getting up to $500,000 in revenue. Remember that Airbnb stock is $4.7 billion in revenue in 2019 with a market cap of $113 billion. So it's not that great to see this go to $20 million market cap, for instance. The present and average price revenue multiple for the WSGF peer group on sales of next year is 5.5 times. So Vaycaychella is likely to evolve as a top player in key segments of the sharing economy. When I discuss with you guys about our stocks, I don't mean all of them will go up. And again, I'm not giving any kind of financial advice. Do your research. Find those penny stocks with low cap and catalysts. This is the best way to make a well-informed decision. Share your comments below. If this video helped you in any way, please remember to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. That's it for now. Bye guys, till we meet in my next video.